In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to compress a PowerPoint file size quickly and effectively without ruining the quality of your presentation. If you've ever tried to email a PowerPoint file and it was too large, or struggled to upload it to an online portal because of size limits, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of frustration. We'll go step by step, and I'll show you the exact settings you need to change to reduce your PPT file size to the smallest possible version. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the final setting that makes a big difference. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. The first and most common reason PowerPoint files become too large is because of high-resolution images. So we're going to start by compressing pictures inside the presentation. Open your PowerPoint file and select any picture in your slides. Once you click on a picture, you'll notice a new tab appear at the top called Format. Go ahead and click on the Format tab. Under the Format tab, look for the option called Compress Pictures. Click on Compress Pictures. A dialog box will appear with compression options. In most cases, you can simply click OK to apply the default compression settings. If you want to reduce the file size even more, you can uncheck the option that says Apply only to this picture, so that the compression applies to all images in the presentation. Then click OK. This will instantly reduce the size of large images embedded in your slides. Next, we're going to adjust PowerPoint's default image resolution settings. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and click on Options. This will open the PowerPoint Options window where we can change advanced settings. Inside the PowerPoint Options window, click on Advanced from the menu on the left-hand side. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Image Size and Quality. This section controls how PowerPoint handles images in your presentations. Under Image Size and Quality, find the Default Resolution drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select 96 ppi. This option gives you the smallest file size while still keeping your presentation clear enough for most screens and projectors. Choosing a lower resolution dramatically reduces the overall file size, especially if your presentation contains many images. Right below that, make sure to check the box that says Discard Editing Data. This is very important. When this option is enabled, PowerPoint removes any extra image editing information that it stores in the background. That hidden data can significantly increase file size, so discarding it helps shrink your presentation even further. Once you've selected 96 ppi and checked Discard Editing Data, click OK to save your changes. At this point, your PowerPoint file should already be noticeably smaller. I recommend saving the file again and checking the file size to see the difference. In many cases, you can reduce a presentation from tens of megabytes down to just a few megabytes using these steps. So just to quickly recap, select a picture, go to the Format tab, click Compress Pictures, confirm the settings, then go to File, Options, Advanced, scroll to Image Size and Quality, set the default resolution to 96 ppi, and check Discard Editing Data. Those simple adjustments make a big difference. If this tutorial helped you compress your PowerPoint file size, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Microsoft Office tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.